Hey guys, this is lesson number 7 of the first course. My name is Mustafa Nasser and you are watching Arabic for Nuns. The last 3 letters of Arabic alphabet are covered in this lesson. They are all as simple as we could expect. But before we start, subscribe the channel, activate the bell, and like the video. Do it! The first letter looks like this. We pronounce it as he. He. Just normal H sound in English. He. Here's an example. He, haram. He, haram, a pyramid. The second letter looks like this. We pronounce it as we. We, like English W or we sound. We, like this word. We, walad. We, walad, a boy. And the last letter in Arabic alphabet looks like this. We pronounce it yeah, yeah, like this English sound, yeah, like this word, yed, yeah, yed, a hand. So once more, we have he, we, and yeah. Well done so far. We concluded talking about Arabic letters and their sounds. We learned how to write them down and we saw an example for each one of them. But we are not yet finished with Arabic alphabet. In the upcoming lessons, we will focus more on the sounds. We will see again the patterns that we talked about, the soft versus the hard. We will study the throat sounds and we will practice more the unique and the new sounds of Arabic alphabet. Stay tuned. There will be lots of fun in the upcoming lessons and there will be also more manual practicing. Now, let's see how to write down the 3 letters of this lesson. Okay, this is practice number 7 of the first course, Alphabet and Pronunciation. Today, we will cover the last 3 letters in Arabic alphabet. But this is not going to be our last practice in this course. There will be more coming in the way. And this is my promise to you. I promised you that we will learn by practicing, not only by watching. That's why you will find for each lesson, you will see a practice. Okay, now we have 3 solid letters. The first one is letter he. It contains 2 cycles. One is external and the other one is internal. Look at that. I will start from up the line. First, I will do the outer cycle till I go down and touch the standard line. And then I will round it to make the inner cycle. Look at this. This is the outer one. And then when I reach here, I will go and round it to make the inner one. And then I will stretch it to the left like this. And here is it. Here is the first letter. Okay, let me do it one more time because it needs practice. So I will start again from up. The outer one first, like this. And then the inner one, like this. Okay, now let's move to the second letter in this lesson. The second letter is letter we. I will start from the standard line this time. I will do a complete cycle clockwise and then I will go down to make 2 slopes. Look at that. This is a cycle and then one sloped line and then another sloped line like this. This one looks like one letter we covered before, letter Ra from the 3rd lesson, if you recall. We had 3 sloped line, 1, 2, 3, right? This letter here, if you do this cycle here, you will be having this letter, we, like this. So you have it, the same shape. Okay, now let's move to the last letter in Arabic alphabet, letter ya. I will start from a little up, then I will make a curve going a little up like this and then going below to make my circular curve. Look at that. Somehow it looks like a duck, right? And here is 2 dots below. So this is letter he, this is letter we, and this is letter ye. Whenever I do it slowly, I used to make mistakes, but let me try again. Okay, the first letter he, will start from up, an outer cycle, and then an inner cycle. I will do it all in one shot, like this. Letter we, I will start from the standard line itself. I will do 1 cycle clockwise and then 2 sloped line like this. Some people do it 1 cycle and 1 curve like this, which is also okay. The last letter in Arabic, letter ya, a duck and 2 dots below like this. Now, let me do again the 4 letters we did in the previous practice. Do you remember? Letter K, I will start from up, straight vertical line down, and a boat. Look at that. And then we do this K shape, like this. The second one, letter Le, the same vertical line from up to down, and then a circular curve below the line. Look at this. That's it. The next one, letter Me, we start a little up the line. We will do a curve going below and then a straight vertical line below the line. And there is 1 gap here. And the last one, letter Ne, is much easier, is only a circular curve below the line, like this, and then 1 dot here.